This is a genuine Smart Tint and Flip Tint installation guide for material with a Smart Cling self-adhesive backing. Unpack and inspect. Carefully unpack and unroll the film and lay it flat on a clean surface prior to installation, allowing the film to acclimate to the room temperature of the installation environment. Inspect the film for any physical defects or damage, which need to be reported prior to installation. Here's a smart tip. Don't buckle, crease, or fold the film. Always keep the film flat and straight after unrolling. Smart Tint Seal. Every piece of Flip Tint or Smart Tint has a seal with a serial number that ties to your order, account, and warranty. It also lets us know the exact size of the film should there ever be an issue down the line. Only genuine Flip Tint and Smart Tint have a Smart Cling self-adhesive backing designed to outgas on its own. Third-party knockoff films don't have this feature and may cause solar fracturing. Smart tip: do not remove this seal. Doing so will void your warranty. Test the film. Test the film prior to installation using the provided power control unit or test power supply. Smart tip: Flip Tint powers on opaque and powers off clear. Smart Tint powers on clear and powers off opaque. Clean the glass. Spray Smart Tint Advanced Glass Cleaner onto the glass. Use a squeegee/polycarbonate razor to remove dirt from the glass and wipe dry with a nanofiber cloth. Smart Tint Advanced Glass Cleaner bonds to microscopic defects in the glass, creating the flattest, strongest possible surface to install on. Smart tip: the working environment should be as clean and dust-free as possible prior to beginning installation. Clean the film. Spray Smart Tint Advanced Window Cleaner on both sides of the release liner and wipe down with a nanofiber cloth. This will remove any debris, dirt, and oil that could transfer to the glass from the film when adhering. Smart tip: when flipping the film to clean the other side, use your arm to roll it over as shown. Dry fit to the glass. With the release liner still on the film, hold the film on the glass to ensure a perfect fit and that no trimming needs to be done on site. Smart tip: have someone assist you as shown to hold the film on the glass. Create pull tabs. Use tape and scissors to create pull tabs as shown for the top corners of the release liner. Turn over the film as shown to the side that will be adhered to the glass, the side without wires. Pull down just the corners and very top of the release liner and stick the tape pull tabs onto each corner as shown. Smart tip: pull tabs make it easier to pull down the release liner when adhering the film to the glass. Pre-alignment. Measure and mark the center line on both the top and bottom of the window frame. Repeat the same process to mark the center lines on the top and bottom of the release liner on the film. This will ensure the film is perfectly square and centered on the glass when installed. Smart tip: when marking on the film, make sure it's on the release liner, not the film itself. Start pull tabs. Use the pull tabs you created earlier to slowly pull down the release liner a few inches. Pull tabs allows you to pull down the release liner without touching the self-adhesive sticky side of the film. Smart tip: the glass should be completely dry before installing. Both Flip Tint and Smart Tint are dry installations. Prep bus bars. Peel up the corners of the double-sided tape liner on the bus bars to expose the sticky side of the double-sided tape. Fold the liners over the film in each corner to make it easy to peel off the rest and stick to the glass during installation. Smart tip: this is a crucial step some installers skip that, if not done, may cause the film to lift off the glass after installation. Align film on the glass. Firmly hold up the film against the glass, adhesive side toward the glass, wires and bus bars facing you. Line up the center lines you marked on the film with center lines you marked on the window frame. We recommend 2 to 3 technicians firmly holding the film in place during the install to ensure proper alignment. Secure the top. Once aligned, make the first attachment point by pressing the film onto the glass at the top center of the film. pull off the double-sided tape liner completely from the bus bars and press onto the glass so the entire top of the film is secured to the glass. Using the felt edge of the installation card, push upward starting in the center and working your way out. This will ensure alignment of the film as to avoid any buckling or air bubbles. Adhere the film. Gradually pull down the release liner 4 to 6 inches at a time to expose our Smart Cling self-adhesive to the glass. Use the installation card and apply moderate pressure top down, center out to remove any air bubbles. Repeat until you reach the bottom of the film and the release liner has been completely removed. Smart tip: start from the top of the film and work your way down. Don't peel back the entire release liner at once. It's a gradual process. Remove protective liner. Peel up a corner of the protective liner on the non-adhesive side, or the side facing you, and slowly pull it completely off the film. Electrical and wiring. We offer a variety of power options for your installation, including contact switches, power transfer cables, armored power transfer cables, and retractable wire kits. Electrical and wiring details can be found on our website at smarttint.com. Smart tip: it's recommended that a licensed electrician performs all wiring and connections needed for your installation. Contact switches. In this installation, contact switches are being used to power the film. The male contact switch was installed in the window jamb. The female contact switch was installed on the window frame. This allows the window to operate in its closed position. When the window opens, the connection breaks, and the film will be in its default state. Smart tip: contact switches provide the functionality to have clean wiring to operational windows and doors. Test the film again. After wiring is connected, test the film again to ensure proper functionality. Smart tip: flip tint powers on opaque and powers off clear. Smart tint powers on clear and powers off opaque. Apply edge sealant. Apply Smart Tint edge sealant to the edges of the film on all 3 sides that the bus bar and wiring are not on. This will secure the film to the glass and keep it safe from any dirt, debris, or moisture. Smart tip: use painter's tape to get a smooth, clean, and professional finish. Install trim kit. Remove the tape from the adhesive on the non-conductive trim kit a little at a time as you firmly press the trim kit into place. This will conceal, secure, and protect the electrical bus bars and wiring on the film. Smart tip: only use non-conductive trim to cover the bus bars and wiring on the film. Privacy on demand. Notice how there is no exposed wiring and a super clean installation.